What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about the internal style sheet. As previously stated, inline styles are not the best way to style HTML elements. If you want to style, for example, multiple H1 elements, you would have to add inline styling for each element manually, which can become quite tedious. In addition, you would also have to maintain the HTML code when additional H1 elements are added. Fortunately, HTML allows you to write CSS code in its own dedicated section with the style elements nested inside of the head elements. The CSS code inside the style element is often referred to as the internal style sheet. An internal style sheet has certain benefits and use cases over inline styles, but once again, it's not the best practice. We'll get there. Understanding how to use internal style sheets is nonetheless helpful knowledge to have. To create an internal style sheet, a style element must be placed inside of the head. Now, after adding the opening and closing style tags in the head section, you can begin writing the CSS code inside of there. The CSS code in the example above changes the color of all paragraphs to text red, and then the size of the text to 20 pixels. Note how the syntax of the CSS code matches, for the most part, the syntax you use for inline styling. The main difference is that you specify which elements to apply the styling. So let's go ahead and move the inline style that was added to the line. So start by emptying the style elements. Start by adding an empty, okay? Okay, let's move the inline style. Okay, so simply do style / style, and then run it. Inside of the style elements, add a CSS rule set targeting the paragraph, the P elements. You can leave the declaration block empty for now. So you just have a simple P right there. Next, place the declaration from the inline style into the empty declaration block. So we have this. You have to remove that. Yep. There you go. And then just place it inside here. Perfect. Now finally delete the inline style from the paragraph elements, which we just did, and then voila. So that's so helpful because now all of your paragraphs will be green instead of just that one first one. That last one also turns green now. So that's the power of the internal style sheet, and I hope you did enjoy this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.